Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to turn off post notifications on Instagram all at once. If this video helps you out, go ahead and smash that like button for me. So go ahead and open up Instagram, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the bottom right-hand corner where you see your profile icon and click on your profile. That's going to open up your profile page where you're going to want to go to the top right-hand corner where you see those three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that menu. That's going to open up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go down all the way to the bottom. It's almost hidden. There's a large gap between 2020 US election and settings. All the way at the bottom, click on settings. Here you're going to see the second heading down says notifications. Go ahead and click on notifications. The very top selection says pause all. It's a toggle bar. Go ahead and click on the toggle. It'll light up blue saying it's activated, and it gives you this notification that says you won't get push notifications, but you'll be able to see new notifications when you open Instagram. You can set it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or you can cancel altogether. We'll just set it for 8 hours, the maximum. Now you will not receive push notifications from Instagram for 8 hours. When you're all done with your changes, just use the back arrow, top left-hand side of the screen. To back out, it'll return you to your profile page where you can go back to the home page or search or anywhere else that you like on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out on how to turn off Instagram push notifications all at once. If it did, smash that like button and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks for watching. Take care.